Deploy the tripod and place it on the flat surface stably. Loosen the roll lock knob and locking ring separately. And rotate the ball head till all 3 screws on the bowl are exposed. Then loosen all 3 screws separately on the bowl by using the provided hex key and turning counterclockwise. Due to Theta's special structure design, don't need to remove the screws. Just loosen them using the provided hex key. After that, rotate the locking ring. Hold the ball head and rotate counterclockwise to remove it. Align the screw slot on the bowl with the 3/8 inches base mounting screw and turn clockwise to securely tighten it. Use the provided hex key to tighten all 3 screws firmly on the bowl by rotating clockwise. Make sure that the ball head won't loosen while rotating. Notes: 1. Before mounting and removing the ball head, please remove the mounted devices on the ball head to prevent accidental falls. 2. While mounting and removing the ball head, no need to unscrew the screws on the bowl. Simply use the provided hex key to loosen or tighten them. It's kindly reminded that the screws on the bowl head can't be removed because of the special structure designed to get rid of the issue of keeping or losing screws while operating. Loosen the roll lock knob and the locking ring counterclockwise separately to switch to free mode. The ball head can be rotated in 360 degrees. Under this mode, after rotating the ball head to the required angle, tighten the locking ring clockwise to fix it to the current shooting angle. Tighten the roll lock knob clockwise. Then align the ball head lower cover with any of the 3 screw holes on the bowl with a click sound. Rotate the locking ring clockwise and the ball head will be fixed. Under the fixed mode, loosen the locking ring by turning counterclockwise. The ball head can only move in the tilt direction. Tighten the locking ring clockwise. Then trigger the locking lever to the maximum angle. The ball head can only move in pan direction. Trigger the locking lever back after use.